Welcome to the .NET Excel Library tutorial. In this video you will learn how to convert Excel document to CSV file and CSV file to Excel document with the Syncfusion .NET Excel Library. First, I will open an existing ASP.NET Core application where I have already installed the Syncfusion Excel Library Core package. If you want to know how to get started with the Syncfusion .NET Excel Library, check out the video link in the card above or in the description below. Now I am going to show you how to convert an Excel to a CSV file. Before demonstrating the process of converting an Excel to a CSV file, let me show you how it will be implemented in this application. This conversion action will be performed by clicking this button. So I open the index.cs HTML file and remove the existing code. Next, add a button to convert an Excel file to a CSV file. Then, navigate to the Home Controller class and import the Syncfusion.ExcelisIO namespace. Then, let me define the action method for Excel to CSV with the return type set to ActionResult. Inside this method, initialize the Excel Engine class and create an application instance using the Excel Engine, and choose the default Excel version. Then I will open the input template Excel file from the data folder in read-only mode. Here, I will load this Excel file into the iWorkbook object. And to store the converted file, let me create a memory stream to save the converted file. Then save the workbook as a CSV format, where comma is used as the delimiter. Reset the stream position to the beginning. To make the file downloadable, I will create a file stream result that sends the document content to the browser. Then set the file name that will be presented for download. Finally, I will return that file stream result. Now I save and run the application. When I click the Excel to CSV button, the converted file will download. Look here, you will see the Excel document converted into CSV file. Next, I will demonstrate how to convert this CSV to Excel file. To do this, let me add a button with the content. Then, navigate to the Home Controller class, define the action method CSV to Excel with the return type ActionResult. Inside this method, initialize the Excel Engine class. Create an application instance using the Excel Engine, and choose the default Excel version. Then I will open the input template CSV file from the data folder in read-only mode. After that, load the CSV file as a workbook in the application, using a comma as the data delimiter. Here, I will access the first worksheet in the open workbook. To store the converted file, I will create a memory stream and save the workbook. Reset the stream position to the beginning. To make the file downloadable, I will create a file stream result that sends the document content to the browser. Then, set the file name that will be presented for download. Finally, I will return that file stream result. Now I save and run the application. When I click this button, the converted file will download. Look here, you will see the CSV document converted into Excel file. Let me sum up this video. I've shown you how to convert an Excel document to a CSV file and a CSV file to an Excel document with the Syncfusion.NET Excel Library. You can download a working example from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also shared a link to learn about obtaining a free license key to use our file format products through our community license. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.